Hey guys, good morning. So it's April Fool's Day. Happy April Fools. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with my life, so I thought I'd at least film it. What the Vloggity? I'm pranking Dulce. I'm going to tell her that Tex is inside of the microwave. So I'm gonna see if that even scares her. I don't know, does it look real? Does it look like there's a cat in there? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab Texas Jack and I'm gonna go to the bathroom when she gets home because I can hear her with the garage door opener, and I'm going to tell her that Texas Jack was misbehaving and I put him in the microwave. She's gonna freak out. Oh my god. Okay, and then you guys are gonna sit up here. I hope she doesn't see the camera. I have to hide it right there. Okay, here we go. Babe, can you let Tex out of the microwave? I threw him in there, I was messing with him. Yeah, I had to come out there real bad.
Are you serious? Ay, babe.
The camera's right there, look. Did it scare you?
Yeah. I was mad. I was like, why? Oh my gosh, I could have sworn you. You're sorry.
Did you see the camera over there?
Yeah. No, I didn't see it. I came in and you're like, oh, I have Tex in the microwave, and I was like, I just saw his face. I was like, oh. I was like, hi, babe. So I put my stuff down, and I was coming over here for the stuff, and then I saw, I was like, oh, it's not him. What did you do? Take a picture of him?
No, I just found a picture on.
Oh my gosh,
online.
really?
Yeah. Isn't that funny?
Yeah. Look at Tex. He's like, that's not me, Mom.
Yes, we got her. Happy April Fool's Day, guys. What?
Did you actually microwave?
No, I was thinking about it, but then you would have really freaked out.
Oh.
And then it would have messed up the paper, would have fallen down.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that was awesome. We'll see you later. Guys, I feel really bad. So, let me show you what I did to set this up. Okay, I was texting Dulce to set it up so it would be more believable. I was telling her that I had diarrhea, and I really didn't. And because I was hiding in the bathroom with the cat, because that's the only way that I could get her to believe that the cat was in the microwave. And this sweet girl, #1 girlfriend, goes and buys.
Pepto.
She got me Pepto
and
Gas X,
and some noodle soup in case you were dehydrated.
I'm sorry, babe. Now I feel really bad. That was. She's a good girlfriend, guys. I feel so bad, but it was funny. Sorry, babe. I just wanted to do something fun, you know? Ooh, look, show everybody your uniform so they can see what you look like. I think they've seen you already, but... Ooh, snazzy.
Okay, turn it off. Time to take it off.
Oh, we gotta go, guys. Hey guys, night has fallen. So sometimes what me and Dulce do is we go and look for furniture that's out on the curb. Some people, you know, want to recycle or give away furniture, and we pick it up, clean it, repurpose it, and sell it. Sometimes some of the stuff doesn't even need to be cleaned, but it's a good way to get extra income. So I'm gonna head out and look for some stuff. Let's go. So how was work? Are you doing a Here's Johnny impression from the horror movie?
Here's Johnny.
Johnny.
It was
No, you said it was good. Oh.
good. It was good.
Yeah?
My partner was awesome.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it a guy or a girl?
It was a girl.
Why was she awesome?
Because we had girl talk.
What else happened?
I went to LAC USC and the ER, and there was like the sheriff's, I think it was San Gabriel Sheriff's Department or something, brought in a psych patient from the back of their cop car.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Were they cuckoo?
They had like 10 people out there from the ER trying to get him on the bed. They handcuffed him.
Oh man.
And he was screaming, "Why is he here? Why is anybody talking to me? Why is he dirty?" So he must have been on something.
Did you mess with him?
No, everybody looked. They were all just like, oh, gawking like, oh.
Cool. I'm glad you're home, babe.
Yeah, me too.
Alright.
My Friday.
Yay! I just got back, guys. Also, we got here at the same time. It's funny, from as you guys saw previous to right now, that time lapse. Whenever I put my thumbs down, that meant, you know, that it wasn't good stuff. A lot of this stuff was junk. We do sometimes try to repurpose the furniture, but right now I was just going to see if I could go find anything to make a quick buck on. But couldn't really find anything, so yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed that time lapse. We're probably going to work on the puzzle a little bit here, and then that's it for tonight. So we're just going to go ahead and end the vlog here. You guys stay classy. Don't forget to comment. Leave us a comment. What kind of furniture are you guys looking for? Post a comment below. What's your favorite piece of furniture? What's the first piece of furniture that pops into your head? We love you guys. Stay classy.
Stay classy.
Bye.